How's it going, fabulous TAs? In this video, I'm going to share with you how to multiply a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number using the grid method. Hello there and welcome back to TA in Control. My name is Lauren Reasoner and here I give you the tools and resources to be a teaching assistant working at your most confident best. And as I said, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to multiply a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number using the grid method. So let's dive right in. The aim of this video is to show you a way to multiply using the grid method. The method in this video may not be exactly what you are using in school. I am using it to make multiplying by the grid method easy for you to understand. If this video helps to make you feel more comfortable about multiplying by the grid method and you'd like me to make more maths videos, please let me know by giving it a like and put a yes in the comments. The grid method is also known as the box method. So the grid looks like boxes, particularly when you are multiplying by larger numbers and have more lines, as in the second example. The grid method makes multiplying easier for younger children because it breaks numbers down into their values. So this example is 12 times 53. The 12 is broken down into 10 and 2, so 1 10 and 2 1s. And the 53 is broken down into 50 and 3, 5 10s and 3 1s. Breaking numbers down in this way is called partitioning. This is how multiplication of a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number is set out using the grid method. We will use the example of 12 times 53. So the 12 is partitioned into 10 and 2. Draw a vertical line before the 10 and a vertical line between the 10 and the 2. Then draw 2 horizontal lines underneath. Put a multiplication sign in the top left-hand corner so you know which operation you're doing. And the 53 you are multiplying by is partitioned into 50 and 3. And the 50 and the 3 go beneath the multiplication sign. This is how we multiply 12 by 53 using the grid method. We begin by multiplying the 10 and the 2 by the 50. So, having partitioned 12 and 10, 12 into 10 and 2, and the 53 into 50 and 3, start by multiplying 10 by 50. So you can see that I've put them in yellow in the first example, 10 times 50. The easy way to multiply 10 by 50 is to write down the 2 zeros first, one from the 10 and one from the 50. I've underlined them in the example. Then multiply 1 times 5, and obviously you get 5. So altogether you get 500. Next, multiply 2 by 50. Write down the single zero from the 50, and again I've underlined it, and then multiply 2 times 5. And obviously you get 10, and altogether you get 100. Having multiplied the 10 and the 2 by the 50, we now multiply the 10 and the 2 by the 3. So 10 times 3 is 30, nice and easy, and 2 times 3 is 6, even easier. Now we've completed all our multiplication, we have some column addition to do to arrive at the final answer. So you take the 500 and the 100 and you add them together. It's really important that you do use column addition so that you don't get numbers out of alignment. So the 500 and the 100, excuse me, equals 600. The 30 plus the 6 equals 36. And then you add those answers together, 600 plus 36 and your final answer is 636. Watch this video as many times as you need and practice some of your own to get the different stages of this calculation clearly in your head. So, repeat and repeat, because repetition is the way you get something into your long-term memory. So what have you learned in this video? You have learned 1. The grid method of multiplying makes multiplying easier for younger children because it breaks numbers down into their values. 2. Breaking down numbers into their separate values is called partitioning. 3. To use the grid method, you must partition the numbers in the multiplication first. 4. Once you have multiplied the partitioned numbers, you use column addition to get the final answer. And 5, if you want me to produce more videos like this, you need to give this one a like and put a yes in the comments. Your likes and comments will help this channel to survive and stop it from drowning amongst all the others. So the big takeaway from what you've learned is something that sounds scary isn't scary when you decide to engage with it. By deciding to engage with it, you take control of your own learning. Your belief that you can't do maths was instilled in you when you were young and had a teacher who either was bad at teaching maths or a teacher who struggled to teach all the children in a class of 30 or more. You know what that's like. But you are an adult now, so you can choose whether this outdated belief impacts on your role as a TA or not. I have some related videos you might like to watch. I'll put links to them in the description below. Here's how to get to the description section if you're not sure. You can find the link to the videos I've mentioned by looking at the description section. Here's how you get to the description section. On your phone, tap the little V under the video to expand the description section. On your laptop, click on Show More to expand the description section. And I've given you screenshots to show you. Now, if this video has been helpful in any way, please reciprocate by giving it a thumbs up. And click the subscribe button along with the bell icon to ensure you get to hear when I've uploaded a new video, so that you too can find out what a difference TA in Control will make to your working life. And if you haven't yet, come and join my Facebook group, TA in Control Free Group, and get access to all my free and paid resources. Thank you.